I'm Marianne Binetti, and I'm back in my winter garden. These are all cool season annuals that thrive when the weather is cool, either in a spring weather like the Pacific Northwest or winter weather here in Palm Desert, California. So the most important plants that give you the most bang for your buck for color in this cool season climate is Snapdragon and Pansies, but only if you know the secret. The secret is you need to deadhead, and you need to fertilize, and you need to keep the soil moist. So a lot of you know about fertilizing, and you know that you feel the soil to keep it moist, but the secret to deadheading is a pair of scissors. So what I do is the Snapdragons, you find a Snapdragon that the top growth right here, you can see, has already lost a bloom. That spike, that Snapdragon spike, is blooming out. So if I snip it off down low here at a joint, I remove the stem, I sacrifice some blooms, but that's going to encourage all these little side sprouts to push out more flowers. The most important cool season annual to deadhead is the pansies. So these little blue winter pansies here, they're going to just keep pushing out the flowers, for 6 months, if you will cut off the faded blooms. You don't even need scissors for this. It's so easy to use your fingernails to simply pull off the faded blooms because they have very thin stems. Now, once you get the bloom pulled off, I do this almost every day just to keep all these flowers coming. Instead of dragging them to a compost pile, they decompose so quickly. You could just take them, push them with your thumb right into the soft, moist soil. What that does is returns the same nutrients to the soil that the pansies had just sucked out of the soil. It's kind of like a form of spot composting. So there you have it, a tip to keep more color in your cool season garden. Deadhead your Snapdragons and your pansies to keep the flowers coming. This has been Marianne Binetti with Easy Answers from Great Gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on plantersplace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.